Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the link text is plain URL or address in the cell. This matters because Excel auto-detection differs. Select the cell or range you want to convert. Once selected, decide whether to convert in place or use a formula in an adjacent column. If you plan to use the hyperlink formula, pick a destination cell for the result. Also make sure the sheet is unlocked and not in edit mode, so Excel can apply the hyperlink command without interruption. Now apply the conversion method. Press Ctrl+K to open Insert Hyperlink, paste or confirm the address, and click OK. That creates a clickable link immediately. Once you need many links, enter equals hyperlink, A1, or equals hyperlink, A1, open, and fill down to reproduce logic. This keeps display text separate from target. For complex batches, use flash fill patterns or a small VBA routine to loop through cells and call. Hyperlinks, add for speed and repeatability. Finish by testing several links to confirm they open the intended page. Make sure your default browser handles the protocol. If converted text remains non-clickable, enable auto-correct option internet and network paths with hyperlinks or rerun the hyperlink formula. Sometimes paste special as text breaks auto-detection. If VBA was used, step through a single iteration to verify targets. When things go wrong, inspect for leading spaces, invisible characters, or missing HTTP/HTTPS, and correct the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.